In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit videos like Mrwhosetheboss using your Android device using the Kinemaster application. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Now the first one is the text animations he uses. As you can see the text he uses, you can achieve it using Pixel Lab application. You have to just download a font called Poppins Extra Bold Italic. Now after you set the color and add a stroke, which is a gradient stroke, and also a shadow. If you don't want the Pixel Lab app and all these headaches, then you can try it in Kinemaster application. You can download the Roboto font. In Roboto font you can use the Roboto Black Italic and also Roboto Bold Italic. Add a stroke to it and you're good to go. Now the second one is the outro or the end credits. You can achieve it by downloading a file. I have given a link in the description box. You can download the video which is designed by me. It is a green screen video and you can just use a chroma key to remove the green screen, as you can see over here. Now the third one is the face cam. Now when he shows the b-rolls, Arun uses his face cam and he adds a circle like shaped face cam to his video, somewhat like this. You can achieve it adding your video and also a circle designed by in Pixel Lab, and you can just add it using keyframing. As you can see, it is moving along the video. I hope you guys loved this video. If you loved this video, then give this video a like and also subscribe down below. This is Asthik Raghav signing out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.